Hi, I'm Kevin Mason, and I'm going to start a YouTube channel. I teach English normally. I can't speak it so well, but I can teach it. And I'm going to use some of the tricks and things I've taught the students over the years to help me learn Bahasa Malaysia. So I'm going to begin this video. I'm going to do a review on our van. I thought that'd be a nice thing because my wife said she'll never buy a used vehicle. Well, we'll see what she thinks after I show her the video. And stick around to the end of the video. If you like this, you might hit subscribe. Towards the end of this video, I'm going to switch to Bahasa Malaysia. I hope you enjoy it. Okay, so this is the 2013 Exora Bold. It's a lovely vehicle. This is a 1.6 liter motor. It has 138 horsepower, which is an improvement of 20 horsepower over the older model because this has the turbocharger. The CFE just means it's lightly turbocharged. But as you can see, it's all clean, looks okay, new battery. Other than that, we haven't really had any problems with it. It's been okay. Okay, let's take a look inside. Okay, as you can see, okay, now this doesn't telescope, but it does go up and down. I forget where that switch is, but anyway, this is your windshield wipers and your cruise control. On the other side, you have the turn signals. In this car, you have the turn signals on the left. Some of them in Malaysia, you have them on the right. Okay, over here, you have the glove box. Nice little glove box. And then down below, you have a bigger glove box. And as you'll notice, the beautiful seats, they're leather seats. And they're, what do you call it there? Two-tone, brown and whatever color this is. And you got these things go up and down. Armrests, nice, 2 cup holders, another cup holder there, another one here, power windows. Oh, something really nice, these mirrors. What do you call those, retractable mirrors? Very nice. Okay, let's take a look. But yeah, the mirrors work fine, in and out. In the back. Okay, there's a total of 3 rows altogether. So this is the middle row. And this one goes down, folds nice and flat. I'll show you on the other side. This one's not flipping so good. Well, as you can see, with it folded out, it's pretty good. I'm not sure it'll take a full sheet of plywood in here, but pretty close. Anyway, let's look at the seat. And this one here should do the lovely. Yes, it just flips up, so if you want somebody to get in the back. The other side flips up too, but not today. Hey, like I said, room for 2 in the back, 3 with very, very small people. Okay, let's look at this. Yeah, see, Doug DeMuro would never review this thing, but the only real quirk this thing has is this little holder. Folds flat, then you hang your drink from there. Yes, Malaysians love their drink holders because normally when you buy a drink, it doesn't come in a cup, it comes in a plastic bag and you hang it. I forgot to show you this up here, but this was one of the main selling points back in 2013. You have this lovely home entertainment thing. How's it open? That's how it opens. You can play movies for the kids. Quite good if they like movies. And which child doesn't like a movie, cartoon, whatever? Also takes UBS, USB. You plug it in there, or you put the CD in the front. Works great. But like I said, we very rarely use it because we don't have kids. So, but we move a lot, and this thing has been great. Anyway, that's the tour of the van. I hope you enjoyed it. What's that? Oh yeah, jumpa lagi. That means see you next time, and I'll see you from upstairs. Okay, see you tomorrow. Okay, so that was the beautiful 2013 Exora Bold. We love that van. It's not for sale, but I want my wife to see how somebody who wanted to buy it would see it. It's a decent van for the money. We'd ask maybe 30,000. Now we only insure it for 24,000 because that's what the insurance company says it's worth. It's like you have a brand new van, you pay 82,000 for it, you think, I'm going to insure it for 82,000. That's a great idea, but nobody's going to give you 82,000 for it, so you may as well insure it for the book value, what it's worth. That's all you're going to get for it. If you have some, God forbid, some huge accident. Anyway, enough about the van. Okay, so now this channel here, I hope you subscribe. I don't think I'll be doing car reviews. Maybe when we get to Malacca, I'll review my Mercedes. I love that car. It's even older than this one. We paid cash for that. Okay, but this channel here, like I said, it's all about me trying to learn Bahasa Malaysia. I've not done a very good job so far, but I'm pretty lazy. I need help. So I've been looking at a channel, which one's that? One sentence a day. But I learned it for a while and I forget it. Anyway, what was that thing I learned? Fahim, Zaya nak faham. Zaya nak faham.
Tak faham.
Zaya
Tak faham.
tak faham.
I don't understand.
Zaya tak faham. Zaya tak faham. I don't understand. Zaya tak faham. And I learned that from a woman who has a channel, Tina. I'll put her contact information down below. Yeah, sentence a day. And that one I can remember sort of. I don't understand. Saya tak faham. I don't understand. But cruise control is cruise control in both languages, so it's pretty easy. Anyway, I'm also going to be looking at skills and tricks on learning a language, which I really have to learn because I've been teaching English for 20 some years now, and I didn't learn German very well. I speak German roughly. I never learned Chinese. I never learned Korean. I never learned French. I took that for 11 years in school. In Canada, we have to speak English and French in schools. We have to learn. I never learned it, so bad me. Anyway, in the future, I'm going to learn Bahasa Malaysia, and I will be speaking to you soon. And you'll see as we progress along. And you must have some information how to help me. That'd be great. And tell me what you want to see in the future. Anyway, that's in the comments. So subscribe, like it, hit the like button. Thank you very much. Jumpa lagi. Sila klik dan subscribe lah. Jangan lupa tinggalkan komen dan saranan Anda, okay? Jumpa lagi.